As you know that Roblox voice chat has been suspended in many regions including Middle East, and also there are some people who do not have a valid ID to verify their age, or they do not have any phone number to verify for getting the voice chat on Roblox. But in any situation which is getting you back from getting the voice chat option on Roblox, this video is going to be a magic for you, because in all cases I'm going to show you a trick for getting the voice chat in Roblox. I am on my mobile, but it works absolutely the same for Roblox PC too. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and you have to search here Roblox and hit the search button. And you have to head towards the Roblox official website. And if you are on mobile, it will ask you to continue whether in app or browser. So you have to tap on continue in browser, and after that it will ask you for a login. Then you have to log in your Roblox account in here. Now after logging into it, you have to tap on this settings gear available at the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you have to go to the third option in this list, which is help and safety. And just keep watching the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, and let the magic thing happen. And after that, you have to go with the first option in this list, which is help center. And when you are redirected to this support page, from here you have to go with the very first option in this list, which is I need help with my account. After that, you have to scroll down here, and here you get an option verifying your email address or phone number. So you got to tap on it, and next you have to scroll down to the end of this page, and here you get a link, need more help, contact support here. So you got to tap on it. Now when you are redirected with this Roblox contact us page, here you have to fill in some information. First of all, you have to provide here your username, next your first name, your email address again, and you have to select the device on which you play Roblox. For example, I play it on iPhone, so I'm gonna select that. Next, you have to select the category, which you have to select is how to. And the subcategory that you have to select is how to change my location. So tap on it. And next is the most important part of this video. So you gotta watch carefully. You have to write exactly this same thing that I've written. So you have to write here, hi Roblox team. The location on my account is showing UAE. Here at the place of UAE, you can write the name of your Roblox account country. If you don't know that what country is written in your Roblox account, I've already created a video and you can go watch out that. It is mentioned in the description of this video. Next written is, while I have moved to United Kingdom where I am living currently. Here you have to write the name of any country where Roblox voice chat is eligible. I'm ready to give documented proof of my current location as well. So kindly change my account's location to United Kingdom. I'll be waiting for your favorable response, and best. And after that, you have to press this continue button and wait for 24 to 48 hours. And after that, your account's location will be changed to any country that is written in your application. And after that, when you'll go to this account info tab, here you'll be able to see that country in which voice chat is eligible. After that, you'll be able to turn your voice chat on by going into the communication section in the settings tab. And if you even don't know that how to do this, I've also created that video too. So that is the trick, that you have to change your Roblox account location to any available or eligible country for getting voice chat. Thank you so much.